Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is how I'm training for a half marathon, and I'm going to share my exact workout routine that I'm currently doing right now. And stay tuned through the video because I'm going to also show you what I ate on this day as well. So I get this question a lot about what my workout routine is. And right now I'm actually training for a half marathon, so I'm going to show some clips from a strength training workout while I talk about this. But right now, I'm currently running 3 days a week and strength training 2 days a week. Now on Sundays, I have my long run, and that's going to be between 8 and 12 miles. Now I've been preparing for this half marathon for the last couple of weeks, and I have it in 4 weeks. So it's about 6 weeks of preparation. And the last time I did a half marathon was about 2.5 years ago. So for the last couple of years, I've been doing shorter runs, like 2 to 3 mile runs. So I kind of recently picked it up. And like I said, on Sunday, I have my long run day. It's going to be 8 to 12 miles. I'm kind of building that up as the weeks go by. Then on Monday, I have a rest day where I don't do any workouts, but I do go on a few walks. Tuesday, I have a strength training day. Now my strength training is very simple. I've been doing the same type of routine for quite a while now. I'll do 3 sets. I'll do a pull, a push, and a leg, and I'll just do 2 rounds. So it's only about 6 sets total. I'll take a few minutes break in between each set. So I keep my strength training very simple. I'm not using any added weights, and I haven't been for quite some time now. On Wednesdays, I'll do about a 5 to 6 mile run, and that's just going to be at kind of a medium pace, which is going to be the same pace as the long run that I do on Sunday. So, by the way, I'm no professional runner. This video isn't for any kind of professionals. I'm just a regular guy that likes to run. So, my medium pace is about 8 minutes, maybe an 8.5 minute mile. And again, that's the pace that I do for my long run on Sunday, and then my medium run 5 to 6 miles on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, I do some interval running. Now this run is typically around 5 to 7 miles, and I'll do a couple of miles of warm-up, run, and then I'll start doing intervals for about 3 miles. Now my intervals is where I sprint for a quarter mile and then I run slow for a quarter mile. So I'll do that for about 3 miles, and then I'll have a mile or two of cool down. Then on Friday, I'll do some strength training. Saturday is a rest day, and then again, it just repeats the cycle on Sunday. So I found this to be a very good balance of running and strength training to keep up with my strength training, but also to help prepare me for a half marathon with some longer runs and some interval training as well. Now, as far as my pace that I'm going to shoot for the half marathon, it's going to be nothing crazy. Like I said, I'm not a runner. I'm just a regular person that likes to run. I'm probably going to be somewhere in the mid to high 7-minute range. So maybe a 7:30 minute or a 7:40 per minute mile. And I am at altitude here, so I have been able to do half marathons in the past where I did about a 7:10, 7:12 minute mile. But I was running more then in comparison to what I'm doing now. So on this day, I broke my fast at 1 p.m., which is typical because I normally do my workouts around 11 a.m. fasted, just drink water throughout the morning. And I made some banana and ice cream. And this was just simply 3 dates, around 6 frozen bananas, and a tablespoon of cacao powder. And the way that I do my bananas is I freeze them when they're nice and ripe with the peel on, and then I soak them in a tub of hot water for about 4 minutes, and then they just come right out of the peel, nice and easy. And it makes a really good consistency. That's why I like to freeze my bananas that way. Then next up at around 2:30, I had this pineapple, and it was canned pineapple, and this is a good hack if you're not able to get good pineapple, because I love pineapple, so I get this Tropical Gold Dole, and it's pretty darn good. So I enjoy that when I can't get good pineapple. Then at 3:30, I had an apple, and then I put together a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I used some local strawberry jam, some natural peanut butter, and the Dave's Bread Good Seed variety. Then I finished it off at 7 p.m. I started with a bowl of grapes. Then I had a veggie bowl, a burrito bowl. It had rice, beans, mixed vegetables, guacamole, tortilla chips, and I had some plantains as well. And that was it. So make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. I have some good recipes I eat on a regular basis. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the video. Hope everyone has a great day. Subscribe for more videos, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.